Senate Democrats force Epstein files release. The battle for transparency. Imagine a scenario where the US government is hiding crucial information about a high-profile case, and the public is left in the dark. This is exactly what's happening with the Jeffrey Epstein case, and Senate Democrats are taking a bold step to force the Department of Justice to release the truth. In a shocking move, Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer and Democrats on the Senate Homeland Security Committee are using an obscure law to demand the release of all files related to Epstein, including audio, video, and other relevant documents. This law, which has been on the books for nearly 100 years, allows 5 or more members of the Senate Homeland Security Committee to request information from the administration, even when they're in the minority and lack subpoena power. The Democrats are basing their request on a letter to Attorney General Pam Bondi, in which they express their frustration with the Trump administration's lack of transparency. After missteps and failed promises by your department regarding these files, it is essential that the Trump administration provide full transparency, the group wrote. They're requesting that the documents be turned over by August 15th and that appropriate accommodations be made to protect victims' identities. But here's where it gets controversial. The Justice Department is unlikely to comply, and a court fight is looming. Senate Majority Leader John Thune has already predicted a protracted legal fight, and the Democrats are prepared to take it to court. It's not a stunt. It's not symbolic. It's a formal exercise of congressional power under federal law, and we expect an answer from DOJ by August the 15th, Schumer said. This isn't the first time Democrats have sought to keep the Epstein case in the spotlight. In recent weeks, they've pushed for the release of more files, and the House Oversight Subcommittee has even subpoenaed the documents. But the Trump administration has been resistant, and the Justice Department has only recently sent its number 2 official to interview convicted Epstein associate Ghislaine Maxwell. The Democrats' likelihood of success hinges on the willingness of the Trump administration to release the information. But as we've seen in the past, Congress has struggled to obtain documents and information from the executive branch. In 2017, a small group of House members sued for documents related to the Trump International Hotel in Washington, and the case dragged on for years. The Biden administration has also weighed in on this issue, arguing that individual members of Congress don't have the authority to sue for executive branch information. But the Democrats are undeterred, and they're using every tool at their disposal to get to the truth. As Connecticut Democratic Senator Richard Blumenthal said, "This letter has the force of law. It's necessary now because this administration is stonewalling and stalling and concealing, and the American people are rightly asking, what do they have to hide? So what do you think? Should the Trump administration release the Epstein files, or are they justified in keeping them under wraps?" Share your thoughts in the comments below.